Thank you for choosing our product. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through how to install your smoke alarm step by step. To get started, open the battery compartment, take out the installation pack, and insert the battery to power on the alarm. Press and hold the test button for 2+ seconds until the LED flashes rapidly and you hear beeps. That means it's ready to protect your home 24/7. Where you install your alarm really matters. Not sure which rooms need one or how to install it? That's okay. Your instruction manual has everything you need. For best performance, mount it on the ceiling at least 4 inches, 10 centimeters, away from any walls. As a hardwired model, it's usually installed on the ceiling where the junction box is. For new homes without wiring, you'll need to plan ahead. Can't access the ceiling? No problem. Wall mount it 4 to 12 inches, 10 to 30 centimeters below the ceiling. Just note, you may need to reroute wiring or run it on backup battery only. Once you've picked the perfect spot, you're ready to install. For demonstration purposes, we'll be showing a wall mount installation here. This alarm is designed to be installed via AC hardwiring in a junction box, so no drilling is needed. If hardwiring isn't an option, the alarm can also be used as a standalone device. In that case, you'll need to drill mounting holes, which we'll show you later. Please note, without hardwiring, the interconnection feature is not available. For your safety, always switch off the power before wiring. Connect all alarms to the same continuous power source so they can trigger each other in an emergency. First, secure the backplate to the junction box with screws. Take out the AC wiring harness, the white wire to the neutral wire. Connect the black wire to the live wire and the red or yellow wire for interconnection only. Be careful not to touch any exposed metal parts or mix up the connections. After connecting the wires, plug the AC wiring harness into the slot on the back of the alarm. Tuck the wires neatly into the junction box. Then twist the alarm onto the screws to finish installation. Now, we'll show you how to drill and mount the alarm, using it as a standalone device. For screw mounting, you'll need a pen for marking, a screwdriver, and an electric drill. On the outer edge of the mounting bracket, you'll see 2 recesses. When the recesses are lined up vertically, the alarm will be oriented correctly. Hold the bracket in place, then mark the 2 screw holes with your pen. Drill at the marked spots, insert the plastic plugs. Then align the bracket and screw it in place. Snug, but not overly tight. Gently twist the alarm onto the bracket until you hear it lock. That's it. Your screw installation is now complete. Without a hardwired connection, the alarm does not support interconnection and requires periodic battery replacement. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You're now fully equipped to install your alarm with confidence. Should you have any questions, our customer support team is always here to help. May it stand guard over your family safety, providing peace of mind for all the years to come.